This topic asina concentration term molality da oina tawsiko. So first the molality. Last class na tawiduna molarity niko. Asina molality. So molality. Sina small letter m na denote tawuni ko. So molality gi definition han yengasiko. She command define tawi have matamda number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent oigadabako. 1 kg of solvent. Nangi 1 kg of solvent da yauriba number of moles of solute to bukuna kai kauni molality ko. Ona molality ki definition shigi matungina magi formula ji kamai rani molality small letter m ko. Ona sida number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent. Si oigadabako aduga si kaida oigani in kg da oigadaba. This is formula sidagi kuina unit of molality yengasiko. Unit kay tarani number of moles ki unit ti mole. Then makada kay lay kg ona mole per kg sina molality ki unit oirani ko. Sometimes mole per kg haipagi mahuta small letter m na denote tabusi awiko. Small letter m sina haji kay hena molal haibni ko. Molal. Capital M oragana molar. Small letter m oragana molal ko. Mamana tawgiba dumaina habe yengasiko. Molality of sugar solution. Sugar solution is 2 molal hai. Sina min to doshi kari hai now. 2 moles of sugar is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent hydrogen. Yare ko aduga last class tawadu maina koina chigi molality ki formulas in detail da sadoji ko. Molality equal to number of moles of solute kay gamane given mass last class ibadu mass divided by molar mass. Mass na m na denote tawre molar mass of solute last class ay na kay na denote tawi hai b na divided by molar mass of solute. Sina kanata number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent. Mass t m solvent ko kay gumba mass to na gram ta piramba taragadi first na kg da on batare ko na sina kanada piramba taragadi solvent sina gram na piramba taragadi kg da on bagi 1000. Ona sigi molality m ji kay gamana ni mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute into 1000 divided by mass of solvent in gram. Siga mana daw yanare ko sida satra singda yamna langan ba question ama irake ko habe iramge aduga solve to susit torumage. Question da sumaina find molality of 20 gram NaOH dissolved in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Yare ko satra singna sida yam langali si kay na matamda molality puto hai mina m equal to sida hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯔꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯏꯍꯧꯔꯒꯦꯀꯣ find molality of 20 gram NaOH dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So sidi yengo molality m si putok ni ko the formula ihorasi mb divided by mb into 1000 divided by mass of solvent. Ona satra sing na tawdo si kay tawni sida molality putok haibagi m laser then mass of solute kya pi sida 20 pire 20 divided by molar mass of solute NaOH kiti 40 into matakta 1000 divided by sida kya laira sida 100. Ona satra sing tawdo si siga kaktanare siga kakne adu oiba tarik se kya tawre 5 molar si totally wrong ni ko ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ 100 gram of solution ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯗ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯜꯚꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯜꯚꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ solute की 100 minus solvent की 20 इक्वल क्या तानी 80 तागदमने अवना असुम्बददि नंग कमाय होलानी m equal to 20 by 40 into 1000 divided by 80 तागदमने यारे को अवना आंसर क्या तानी सी सिंपलीफाई तौर मतुंगदा 6.25 molar tagadamne sina chumgadab ko on satra sina khwaidi tawonba mistake se sidani yana le ko pare sida asigiti losilasi ko next class ta 1 molar ka 1 molal ka kanana hena concentrated solution oige hedo next class ta discuss taros losilasi ko